Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how can I share my YouTube link on Instagram story. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open YouTube and click on your channel icon in the top right and click on your channel. And here I need to copy the link of this video. Okay, then I need to go back into the Instagram application and try to create a story. Okay, so you can see that the story is created. Then you need to click on the three dots, and here you can see you have two options, draw and save. You simply need to click on the third icon, and here you can find different options. You simply need to click on the link and paste that link here, that is, and click on done. So you can see that the link is added, and then you need to share that story. So this is our process by which you can add YouTube link to Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.